Alright, let's dive right into the mysterious origins of the Kybalion. Crafted in the early Roaring Twenties, this text was penned by a clever gang known as the Three Initiates. Picture them like the mystical version of a boy band, minus the singing and choreography. The Kybalion delves deep into Hermetic philosophy, a brainy buffet of ideas dating back to a cool cat named Hermes Trismegistus around the 2nd century BC. He was like the OG mystic influencer of ancient times. In this handbook for the metaphysically curious, the Kybalion is split into 7 spicy chapters, each one tackling a riveting universal law. We've got mentalism, no, not mind-reading tricks, but the philosophy that the entire universe is an enormous mind. Then there's rhythm, cause and effect, and a bunch more like correspondence, vibration, polarity, and the intriguing gender principle. Talk about cosmic dating advice, huh? So buckle up, because we're about to zip through cosmic wisdom with a dash of humor, hoping to uncover what the ancients knew with a side of laughs. Alright, buckle up because we are diving into some mind-bending ideas here. First off, let's talk about the principle of mentalism. Imagine this, everything around us, I mean everything, is influenced by our noggins, our thoughts, our beliefs, you name it. So, if you believe you're the next big star, guess what? You're more likely to strut your stuff and make it big. But if you're doubting your awesomeness, you might just stay in your pajamas all day, achieving absolutely zilch. Now, on to the juicy bit, the correspondence principle. It's like saying, hey, the universe and you? Not so different. The whole shebang, from atoms to galaxies, works on some of the same principles as our own lives. Take the classic cause and effect, do something, and something happens. It's not just physics, it's like cosmic karma. By understanding the mini world of ourselves, we can start to decode the mega world of the universe. Cool, right? Alright, let's dive into the electrifying principle of vibration first. Picture this, every little thought and emotion you have is like a tiny DJ, mixing up the tracks of your life. Tune into negative vibes, and you might just find yourself dancing to a gloomy beat. But flip the script to those upbeat, positive tunes. You are setting the stage for some seriously good times. Vibe the way you want your life to play out. Now, gear up for the principle of polar opposites. Ever noticed how superheroes and villains are always locking horns? Just like them, everything in the universe has its arch nemesis. There's no light without a bit of shadow, no joy without a touch of sorrow. It's the cosmic dance of balance, where every force finds its counterforce. Without one, the other just wouldn't make sense. Last but not least, let's groove with the principle of rhythm. Life's like this incredible cosmic dance floor, where everything moves in a magnificent rhythm. There's a time to jump up with joy, and a moment to slow down and chill. This principle reminds us that life is full of cycles and seasons, each with its own beat. So when life swings you around, just sway along and enjoy the rhythm. Imagine rolling with the cosmic rhythm where everything, yes, everything, goes through a dazzling birth, growth, decay, and death cycle. It's like nature's blockbuster show, the fresh, vibrant spring sparks into life, summer pumps up the growth vibes, autumn winds down in a graceful bow, and winter, well, it's the grand finale, folks. By tuning into this epic pattern, we're not just spectators, we're rocking in harmony with the universe's flow. Cool, right? But hold your hats, because there's more. Meet the principle of cause and effect, the ultimate cosmic boomerang. Every little thing we do kicks back, for better or worse. Toss a candy wrapper on the street? Bang! That might seem tiny, but think of it triggering a domino effect leading to a trashed planet. So, let's keep our acts clean and watch the universe high-five us back. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we are diving into the radical, riveting world of gender concepts. Now, buckle up as I enlighten you with principle number 7, the cosmic dance of masculinity and femininity. Imagine every particle in the universe doing the tango, where everything, and I mean everything, has a dash of macho and a sprinkle of femme. These aren't just fancy scummancy words, they're vital for the whole shebang of creation and manifestation. Here's the scoop, the masculine vibe in nature? It's all about action. It's like the go-getter, the doer, the let's get this party started kind of energy. On the flip side, the feminine aspect, oh, she's all about receptivity. Picture a warm, welcoming host at a party, saying, "Come on in, let's see what unfolds." When these two forces align in perfect harmony, voila! New life is not just possible, it practically pirouettes into existence. So, in this cosmic ballet, both the lead and follow are essential for the show to go on. Isn't that just the zing in the zest of life?